hidden in the bottom of the plane. Is it possible to survive? Hi guys, welcome our channel. Welcome. If you are new here, please follow our channel and press the bell icon for our upcoming videos, so that we can reach you every upcoming video. A body was found in a garden in London on Sunday in what is believed to be a man hidden in the landing gear of a plane that fell from an incoming flight at Heathrow Airport. Police believe the man fell off a Kenya Airways flight from Nairobi to London. A person living near the spot said that the body fell 1 meter away from a local person who was sunbathing. How common is it for people to hide on planes? This is not the first time someone has tried to sneak into the UK by hiding in the landing gear of a plane. However, how common is this, and what is the condition of such people during the journey? Between January 2004 and March 2015, 6 people were caught at UK airports hiding on planes. Apart from them, another person was found on a British airline at a foreign airport. On the other hand, according to the estimate of the FAA, the Federal Aviation Administration in the United States, between 1947 and 2012, there were incidents of 96 people traveling in secret on 85 flights. How many of these people die? There have been several incidents of people dying on planes in the UK. In 2001, the body of 21-year-old Muhammad Ayaz from Pakistan was found in the car park of a home-based store near Heathrow Airport. 4 years earlier, another person's body was found on a gas pipeline near the same store. These persons fall from the plane when the landing gear opens. In 2007, the body of a young man was also found in the landing gear of a British Airways plane in Los Angeles. In August 2012, a man's body was found in the underside of a plane at Heathrow Airport. The flight came from Cape Town. A month after the incident, the body of 26-year-old Jose from Mozambique was found in a street in West London. He died after falling from a plane coming from Angola. Similarly, in June 2015, a man's body was found on the roof of an office building in the Richmond area of London, while another man was found in critical condition at Heathrow. The two are believed to have sneaked in from Johannesburg on a British Airways flight. Those who survive such incidents are usually stowaways on short-haul flights and tend to be relatively young. In June 2010, a 20-year-old Romanian boy was found in a tire box on a flight from Vienna to London, but in this incident the plane did not go above 25,000 feet due to bad weather. According to FAA testing, 23 people, about 1/4, survive. Friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Do and don't forget to like, share this video. Thanks.